Woodworking is all about precision, efficiency, and using the right tools for the job, and some of the most useful tools out there are the ones most people have never seen. In this video, we're counting down 15 genius woodworking tools you probably didn't know existed, featuring incredible Amazon finds for 2026 that can help you cut more accurately, build faster, and achieve professional quality results. From advanced hinge and dowel jigs to innovative safety tools like the MICROJIG GRR-RIPPER GR200 Pushblock, and precision layout solutions like the Saker Contour Gauge Duplicator, these tools are designed to make every woodworking project easier, safer, and more enjoyable whether you're a beginner, DIY enthusiast, or experienced craftsman. Number 1. Hinge installs slowing you down? This jig changes everything fast. First reason, adjustable fit for 3 to 5 inch hinges. Square corners, round corners, one template handles both cleanly. No guessing, no awkward trimming, just accurate mortises every time. Second reason, built-in depth guide keeps router cuts consistent. That means cleaner recesses, tighter fit, and professional-looking doors. Skip the hammer and chisel routine completely. This jig makes hinge work faster, quieter, and neater. Third reason, self-centering bits help your screws land perfectly. Less slipping, less frustration, and far fewer costly mistakes. The clamp-on design keeps everything steady while you work. Silicone pads help protect surfaces and improve grip. Adjust the length, thickness, and corner style in seconds. Then route, drill, and mount with confident, repeatable precision. Carpenters love speed, DIYers love simplicity, contractors love consistency. One compact kit covers the essential hinge installation steps. It works on wooden doors for clean, accurate mortising. The included bits make setup easier and more efficient. No bulky pile of tools needed on the job site. Just grab the jig and get straight to work. Need better results with less effort? This is it. Need repeatable installs across multiple doors? Even better. Need a smarter way to save time? Done. This hinge jig brings speed, precision, and control together. Perfect for repairs, replacements, and fresh door installations. Upgrade your workflow and make every hinge cut cleaner. If you want pro-level results, start with the right tool. Tap the link, check the details, and order yours today. Get the jig, finish faster, and make every install easier. Number 2. Struggling with uneven dowel holes? This jig changes everything. Meet the Elongated self-centering dowel jig for precise woodworking. Reason 1. Extra wide clamping. Opening handles bigger projects easily. From small boards to large panels, it grips securely. No more forcing awkward setups or losing valuable time. Its elongated jaws give wider contact for better alignment. That means steadier holding and more accurate drilling every time. Reason 2. Built-in ruler markings speed up layout work. Measure fast, mark confidently, and skip the extra tools. Perfect when you're moving quickly through repeat woodworking tasks. Reason 3. Durable aluminum alloy construction lasts for years. Strong enough for daily shop use, DIY jobs, and contracting. You also get drill bushings for clean, repeatable hole guides. Included dowels help you start your project right away. Everything feels organized, efficient, and ready for the workshop. The self-centering design keeps your holes perfectly aligned. That improves joint accuracy and makes furniture assembly smoother. Whether you're a woodworker or contractor, it boosts productivity. Need precision without the frustration? This tool delivers it. Need speed without sacrificing quality? This jig handles both. Need durability you can trust? Elongated is built tough. It's compact, practical, and made for serious shop results. Use it for cabinets, furniture, repairs, and custom builds. Every cut, every hole, every fit feels more controlled. That's the difference between guessing and working like a pro. If precision matters, this is the upgrade your bench needs. If efficiency matters, this is the jig to grab. If long-term value matters, Elongated delivers on all fronts. Get yours now and make doweling effortless. Click to order and bring pro-level accuracy to every project. Number 3. Ever felt your table saw plotting against your fingers? One wrong feed, and boom, chaos. Panic, sawdust trauma, narrow board, wobbly cut, kickback? My workshop said, absolutely not. Then I met the MICROJIG GRR-RIPPER GR200. Yes, the bright yellow safety goblin of precision. This thing grips stock like it pays rent here. 3D control keeps your workpiece moving cleanly and confidently. Translation: fewer slip-ups, fewer screams, more straight cuts. It helps virtually eliminate kickback, which is honestly gorgeous. The built-in guard keeps your hands politely away from disaster. And yes, it handles tiny pieces without acting dramatic, down to 1-4-inch rips without readjusting the fence. That's not convenience, that's woodworking wizardry. The adjustable center leg adapts like it was born flexible. Small stock, large stock, awkward stock, bring it all. The balance support stabilizes narrow pieces like a bodyguard. Cleaner cuts, straighter cuts, less wobble, more bragging rights, and the ergonomic handle. My hand finally stopped filing complaints. But wait, there's more yellow engineering genius. The adjustable spacer gives extra grip for bigger stock. It also adds 1 inch of cutting width. So yes, even your oversized board gets humbled. Then comes the stabilizing plate, aka the precision sidekick, perfect for resawing, bevel edging, pattern routing, and tiny chaos. It holds the offcut in place like a disciplined assistant. No binding, no wandering, no "why is this happening?" moment. Table saw? Router table? This thing multitasks better than me. Made in the USA, with true MICROJIG innovation. For safer, smarter woodworking, this is the cheat code. Add it to your cart before your current setup embarrasses you. Work safer, work smarter, let the yellow beast do the gripping. Number 4. Tired of risking your hands on the table saw? Meet the MICROJIG GRR-RIPPER GR100 Pushblock. A smarter way to cut with confidence. Built for woodworkers who demand precision and safety. It protects your hands during demanding saw work and helps virtually eliminate dangerous kickback. That means more control with less stress. The 3-leg design creates 3-directional force. Downward pressure keeps the workpiece stable. Inward pressure holds stock firmly against the fence. Forward pressure helps prevent burning and slip. The result is smoother, safer, more accurate cutting. Its powerful high-friction grip locks onto the material. Even small pieces stay controlled and secure. Use it for rip cuts with surgical precision. Rip as accurate as a 1/4 inch. All without constant fence readjustment. The built-in balance support improves cut stability. That helps square the cut and reduce waste. Adjust the center leg for different stock sizes. Angle the handle for comfort and better control. It works with wood, aluminum, and plastic. Perfect for table saws, router tables, jointers, and bandsaws. Need continuous feeding? Use 2 for longer stock. Keep the material moving smoothly without stopping. That means fewer burn marks and cleaner results. Parts come off the saw ready to use. Less sanding, less planing, more efficiency. Trusted by over 400,000 woodworkers worldwide. Designed in the USA by MicroJig Innovation. Work safer, work smarter. Upgrade your shop today. Number 5. The workshop wakes up under a warm morning glow. A blank board waits, full of unfinished possibilities. He studies the joint, searching for perfect alignment. One small mistake could ruin the entire project. Then the Mortise Tenon jig enters the scene. Its self-centering design locks onto the wood instantly. Blind joints and exposed joints line up effortlessly. The indexing pin guides every movement with confidence. No guesswork, no shifting, no frustrating rework. He adjusts the fixture with a smooth, steady motion. Multiple bushings prepare for different drilling needs. Each size supports precise positioning for clean results. The ABS body feels solid in his hands. Metal components add strength for long-term workshop use. He sets the baffles and secures every screw. Everything fits together easily, ready for action. The drill comes down with controlled, exact pressure. Holes land true, with no visible deviation. Wood dust rises softly as the cut stays perfect. Board after board, the rhythm becomes effortless. What once felt risky now feels dependable. The jig turns complicated work into simple precision. Carpenters, DIYers, and woodworkers all need this edge. For cabinets, furniture, and custom builds, it delivers. Every joint matches with clean, professional accuracy. Every project gains speed, stability, and confidence. From first setup to final assembly, it's seamless. The workshop settles into quiet satisfaction. Another project completed, stronger and sharper than before. Choose the Mortise Tenon jig and build with precision. Number 6. Tired of juggling separate tools for every door install? This all-in-one jig handles hinge, lock, and latch work. First reason to buy? One kit saves serious time. No more measuring twice, switching tools, and starting over. You get cleaner cuts with fewer frustrating mistakes. The aluminum alloy body feels solid and built to last. Unlike plastic jigs, this one stands up to real work. Silicone anti-slip pads keep everything steady on the door. That means better control and less risk of damage. Second reason to buy: precision across more door sizes. It fits square corners and round corners with ease. Works for 1, 4-inch, and 5, 8-inch radius hinge styles. It also handles hinge lengths from 2.5 to 5 inches. Perfect for thick hinges and standard residential doors. The lock drilling setup supports common backset measurements. It fits 1 to 3 8 and 1 to 3 4-inch doors smoothly. Third reason to buy: everything you need comes included. Hinge template, drill guide, bits, hole saws, and manual. The added latch mortise tool is a huge bonus. It routes clean recesses for a flush, professional finish. No extra shopping, no missing parts, no wasted effort. DIYers will love the simplicity and confidence this brings. Contractors can move faster and keep jobs looking professional. Woodworkers get a reliable setup for repeatable, accurate results. If you want faster installs, this kit delivers. If you want cleaner results, this kit delivers. If you want one tool for the whole job, this is it. Upgrade your door work with a smarter, sturdier solution. Stop guessing and start cutting with real confidence. Grab this all-in-one door jig and level up today. Number 7. Still struggling to drill perfect hinge holes by hand? One small mistake, and the cabinet door never sits right. Wasted panels, crooked hinges, and endless rework cost time. That's why this 35mm hinge drilling jig exists. It gives you clean, accurate hinge boring every time. Built for concealed hinge installation, fast and repeatable. Just clamp it, align it, and start drilling confidently. The precision guide holds your bit steady and true. No more wandering holes or uneven hinge placement. It comes with a 35mm Forstner bit included, so you get the right size from the start. Perfect for cabinet doors, furniture upgrades, and shop projects. The compact design makes setup quick and easy, and the durable body handles everyday woodworking use. Need consistent results on multiple doors? No problem. This jig keeps every hinge location matched correctly. It also works with Craig-style woodworking setups, so it fits naturally into your existing workflow. Before, measured guesses, off-center cuts, and frustration. After, clean holes, proper alignment, and smooth installs. Before, hardware fighting your door. After, hinges drop in neatly and perform better. Woodworkers save time, and DIYers get pro-level results. Cabinet makers can move faster with less correction. The process feels simple, even on your first try. No special tricks needed, just accurate hinge drilling. If precision matters, this jig makes perfect sense. Get cleaner cuts and easier concealed hinge installation. Upgrade your toolkit with a jig that works hard. Order now and make every hinge hole count. Number 8. Tired of crooked hinge cuts and wasted door hardware? This upgraded door hinge jig changes everything. Built for DIYers, woodworkers, and installers who demand precision. Use it on 1 to 3 4-inch doors with confidence. Not for jams, but perfect for door mortises. It fits hinge lengths from 2 to 1, 2 to 5 inches. Round corners? No problem at all. Supports 1 4-inch radius and 5 8-inch radius hinges. Square corners are covered too, with chisel finishing. The 6061 aluminum alloy body feels instantly professional. Anodized surface adds durability and corrosion resistance. Compared with plastic jigs, it resists deformation far better. That means repeated accuracy, job after job. Quick Adjust scales make setup fast and intuitive. No guessing, no marking mistakes, no wasted time. The built-in depth gauge improves every mortise cut. It handles thick and thin hinges with ease. Need stability during routing? Silicone pads hold firm. They help protect your door from unwanted scratches. The self-centering hinge bit keeps drilling perfectly aligned. A double-ended screwdriver bit simplifies hardware installation. One compact kit replaces multiple tools on site. Router bit, drill bit, driver bit, and manual included. Everything you need comes ready in the box. Beginners can operate it with clear, simple steps. Professionals can move faster with cleaner, more consistent results. Install interior or exterior doors with less effort. Achieve crisp hinge recesses and a better finished look. Upgrade your workflow with a tool that truly delivers. Get precise, efficient door hinge installation every time. Number 9. Tired of jigs shifting when every cut needs precision? Loose fences and sloppy templates slow down every project. One small slip can ruin hours of careful work. Drilling, routing, and sawing all demand steadier support. That's where this DCT Jig Hardware Kit steps in. It gives your jigs and fixtures a secure hold. Use it on saw fences, drill presses, and routers. Build cabinet, drawer, pull, and handle templates with confidence. Its versatile track hardware adapts to many setups. You can customize fixtures for furniture, sheds, and cabinetry. Precision machined parts help deliver accurate, reliable adjustments. Everything fits securely for smoother, cleaner workshop control. The ergonomic knobs make tightening fast and effortless. No extra tools needed for quick adjustments. Just insert, thread, and lock everything into place. It keeps your workflow simple and efficient. Built with polypropylene knobs and brass inserts for durability. Grade 2 steel bolts add strength where it matters. Zinc plating helps resist rust and corrosion over time. That means dependable performance through repeated workshop use. The 36-piece set covers multiple knob and bolt sizes. You get flexibility for different jigs and fixture needs. Works with materials up to 1 inch thick. Perfect for carpenters, woodworkers, and serious DIY builders. Spend less time fighting setup and more time creating. Enjoy cleaner alignment, tighter holds, and better repeatability. Your projects look more professional with less frustration. Every adjustment feels faster, steadier, and more controlled. This kit turns everyday jigs into reliable workshop tools. A simple upgrade that makes every build easier. Number 10. Morning light falls across a cluttered woodworking bench. A carpenter studies 2 boards, hoping for flawless joints. Measured lines appear, but the drill path still feels uncertain. Every missed hole could ruin hours of careful work. He reaches for the DCT Woodworking Dowel Jig tool. Its solid steel body feels reassuringly heavy in hand. He clamps it onto the first workpiece. The self-centering jaws grip square stock with perfect balance. No measuring, no guessing, no wasted material today. He selects the exact bushing for the drill bit. Laser-etched sizes guide every choice instantly and clearly. The bit drops into place with steady confidence. Clean holes emerge, straight and aligned like clockwork. The workshop grows quiet, except for precise drilling. A second board waits beside the first. He repeats the setup without moving the jig. Identical parallel holes form with remarkable consistency. Miter joints, butt joints, edge joints, all ready now. Even table repairs become faster and far more accurate. The hardened steel center block keeps every cut true. Rugged aluminum sides hold firm without damaging the wood. Each turn of the clamping screw locks like a vise. 6 bushings expand the tool's reach across projects. From 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch, versatility follows. Round stock or square stock both fit with ease. The carpenter steps back, watching perfectly matched pieces align. What once felt risky now feels effortless and repeatable. Precision restores speed, and speed restores creative momentum. For woodworkers, carpenters, and DIYers, this becomes essential. DCT delivers accuracy that turns every joint into confidence. Upgrade your shop with a jig built to last. Bring home the DCT Dowel Jig and drill smarter. Number 11. Build stronger joints, faster, with one compact pocket hole system, perfect for DIYers, woodworkers, and craftsmen who value precision. Turn raw boards into polished furniture with confidence. From shelves to desks, this jig handles it all. Even tight spaces become easy with angled pocket drilling. The heavy-duty aluminum body feels solid and reliable, portable enough for the workshop or job site. Bench-mounted, clamp it, and drill with control. The built-in clamping system keeps every setup stable. That means cleaner holes and more accurate joinery. The angled drill guide creates precise pocket hole joints, ideal for leg and rail connections and face frame cabinets. Use it for picture frames, furniture repair, and more. The complete kit gives you everything in one case. Included are the jig, clamp, drill bit, and stop collar. You also get a square drive bit and wrench, plus screws and wooden plugs for finished results. Self-tapping screws save time by skipping pilot holes. That means faster assembly and less frustration. The hard-carrying case keeps tools organized and protected. Take it from home projects to professional installs easily. Beginners can start building sooner with less guesswork. Experienced makers will appreciate the speed and consistency. Every joint feels tighter, cleaner, and more secure. That's the difference a smart jig system makes. Designed to help you work smarter and measure better. Built for practical results and an upgraded woodworking experience. General Tools delivers trusted precision for serious makers. Upgrade your workshop with a kit that truly works. Get the Pocket Hole Jig Kit and build better today. Number 12. I used to struggle making dovetail joints look perfectly aligned. Every cabinet project started with gaps, slips, and wasted wood. My router setup felt clumsy, slow, and way too stressful. Clamping the jig separately always ate up precious workshop time. One wrong cut ruined hours of careful measuring work. I needed cleaner joints, faster setup, and real confidence. Then I spotted this General Tools dovetail jig online. The gold aluminum design instantly caught my attention. It looked professional, sturdy, and built for serious woodworking. I checked the details, and the included router bit sealed it. A 14-degree, half-inch dovetail bit, that was a game-changer. No extra hunting for parts, no complicated guessing. The integrated clamps were the feature that sold me. No bolting the jig to my workbench anymore. That meant faster setup and way less frustration. The one-piece aluminum layout keeps both ends perfectly matched, so every cut stays even, clean, and consistent. I can switch between loose or tight joints easily. Half-blind, through edge-to-edge, and box joints, all handled smoothly. That flexibility made cabinet work feel so much easier. Now my router sits safely on the jig platform. No more awkward balancing while moving between cuts. The manual also made learning surprisingly simple. Even as a beginner, I got professional-looking results fast. My joints finally lock together strong and tight. Once the glue goes in, everything feels rock solid. If your projects deserve cleaner joinery, why wait? Why keep fighting sloppy cuts when precision is this easy? Wouldn't you rather upgrade your workshop with a tool like this? Grab the General Tools dovetail jig before your next build. Number 13. Ever struggle to get matching tapers perfectly straight? One tiny angle mistake can ruin the whole project. Furniture legs start looking uneven, and frustration builds fast, especially when repeat cuts never seem to match. That's where the MICROJIG GRR-RIPPER TJ5000 steps in. This tapering jig brings precision, safety, and flexibility. It works with table saws, bandsaws, and router tables, so you can tackle more woodworking setups confidently. The Microdial system makes angle setup surprisingly easy. Color-coded scales help you dial in exact positions. You get 122 preset settings for fast adjustments, and accuracy reaches within just 1/8 of a degree. That means cleaner tapers and more professional-looking results. Need consistent legs for a table or cabinet? This jig keeps every cut repeatable and dependable. 2 memory locks make switching angles quick and simple, perfect for 2, 4, 6, or 8-sided legs. It's ideal for federal, mission, and mid-century styles. And it also fits modern custom furniture builds. Pair it with GRR-RIPPER pushblocks for better control. That adds another layer of stability during cutting, so your hands stay safer while the cut stays steady. The setup feels solid, durable, and workshop ready. It's proudly made in the USA for serious woodworkers. You also get an instructional DVD and manual included, so setup and first use feel much less intimidating. If you want accurate tapers without the guesswork, this jig is a smart upgrade for your shop. Great for woodworkers, furniture makers, and DIY builders alike. Bring home precision and make every taper count. Number 14. The board slipped. My heart nearly stopped in the shop. One wrong move, and the blade was waiting below. I thought my cut was ruined beyond repair. The wood fought back, twisting under dangerous pressure. Then I saw a bright yellow-green answer. At first, it looked like just another pushblock, but this one gripped like a machine-built lifeline. MICROJIG GRR-RIPPER 2Go stepped in without hesitation. Its green grip surface locked onto the workpiece. No slipping, no wandering, no panic. Both sides of the cut stayed fully controlled. The stock hugged the fence like it was magnetized. Kickback danger faded as the cut stayed disciplined. My hands stayed far from the blade's path. That's when fear turned into total control. Table saws, jointers, bandsaws, router tables. This tool handled them all with brutal confidence. Even thin cuts felt shockingly precise. Just 5/16 inch, and still rock steady. The clearance step glided smoothly over router bits. For longer cuts, I used 2 together. The pressure stayed even. The results stayed flawless. Built-in dovetail grooves invited custom attachments. Match-fit compatibility made my setup even smarter. It arrived fully assembled, ready to work instantly. The color code index made fence setup effortless. Made in the USA, it felt like pure reliability. This wasn't just a push block. It was workshop armor for safer, cleaner cuts. If you value control, precision, and protection, choose it now. Get the MICROJIG GRR-RIPPER 2Go and cut with confidence. Number 15. Stop guessing, trace irregular shapes with total confidence. Meet the Saker Contour Gauge Duplicator and Rubber Mallet Set. Built for woodworkers, DIYers, carpenters, and repair pros. Perfect for pipes, frames, ducts, tiles, and trim. Use it when every curve needs exact duplication. Tackle woodworking layouts with faster, cleaner precision. Handle tile cuts without frustrating trial and error. Measure molding edges and transfer profiles instantly. Even car bodies and metal sheets become easier. Just press the gauge against the target shape. The teeth slide smoothly to capture every contour. Then lock the shape in place securely. No shifting, no rework, just consistent markings. That locking feature delivers reliable traces every time. Choose the right size, 5-inch or 10-inch. Both sizes help you work on different projects, from tight corners to wider, irregular outlines. The ABS body feels sturdy, lightweight, and durable. It resists rust and handles daily job site use. Portable enough to carry in any tool bag. Ideal for locating profiles and transferring edges accurately. Create instant templates for marking precise tile cuts. Save time on repeat tasks and custom fits. Get cleaner results with less waste and stress. In woodworking, accuracy makes every project look better. In auto work, perfect contours improve every repair. This tool upgrades your workflow from rough to refined. Use the contour gauge, then cut with confidence. For practical precision, this is a must-have tool. Add it to your kit and work smarter today. That wraps up our list of 15 genius woodworking tools that prove the right equipment can save time, improve accuracy, and take your craftsmanship to the next level. Whether you're installing hinges, creating flawless joinery, improving table saw safety, or tackling custom furniture projects, these innovative tools are built to help you work smarter and achieve cleaner, more professional results. If you enjoyed discovering these hidden woodworking gems, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with fellow woodworkers so they can upgrade their workshop with these amazing Amazon finds.